I will give you a hint on some of the problems and how to answer them on the test. Okay, so let's look at the first example right here we have in front of us. In this example, we're trying to graph, solve by graphing. And we had a homework problem similar to this 2 days ago. And I told you guys that you need to find the roots. And the only way to find the roots is to factor this. So to factor this, we can use the box method. X squared negative 8. And you're looking for two numbers when you multiply, you get negative 8. You combine them together, you get 6. And that's, you get 2, not 6. So that's going to be 4 times 2, positive 4 times 2. Now you need to put the negative somewhere to get the 2. So I'm going to put it here to the 2 because if I combine the 4 and the negative 2, I'm going to get positive 2. So that's, and then you factor here, so you're going to end up with 2 factors equals 0. Now you're going to get the roots here, put it somewhere here on the x-axis, and these are your zeros. And then you want one more thing, and that's the vertex. The vertex, to find the vertex, it's x equal negative b divided by 2a. b is 2, so it's negative 2, and a is 1, so negative 2 divided by 2, and that's negative 1. So x is negative 1. We want to know the y because a vertex is a point. So we're going to put the x here into the equation. So negative 1 squared plus 2 times negative 1 minus 8. And then you solve, and you're going to get the y. I'm not going to tell you what is the y. So the vertex is going to be, for example, this is not true, but let's say it was here. Then you're going to have, this is the vertex, you connect it to the, let's say if this is the roots, one root, and this, let's say this is the second root, you connect it here. Okay, let's look at the second problem. In the second problem, you're asked to find the roots, y-intercept, vertex, and the axis of symmetry. I'm telling you that axis of symmetry is one point. It's that point where the middle points. Okay. Roots are the zeros. Roots right here is your x-intercept. Okay, so it's point here on the x-axis. Okay, let's look at this one. This one, a lot of you guys didn't know how to solve these problems. You're taking the square root of both sides. It's telling you to solve by taking the square root. Okay, so you're taking the square root of both sides, so you can have x minus 2 equal 3, because square root of 9 is 3. Now, since these are parabolas, it's plus or negative 3, because it's two roots. One for the positive, the other one's for the negative. And then you're solving for x. X minus 2 equal 3x minus 2 equal negative 3. And then you solve and get the value here. Now, this one, you're not going to take the square root first because you need to have x squared by itself first to be able to take square root. So you can add 20, so we have 5x squared equal 20, and then divide by 5, x squared equal 4, and you take square root of both sides, so square root of 4 is 2, and since we're dealing with parabolas, this is positive or negative 2. There's two roots. Here to find the c, we said to find the c, we divide the middle term. So this is a B and C. We divide B by 2 and then square. And that's going to be the value of C.